Remember the backstroke. Remember they're showing me floating in the water on your back. Remember the peacefulness of this act. This is the peace you want to instill within your heart, especially when events around you seem to be moving at a very fast rate. Love intertwines with this. Love intertwines with your auric field. The lightening up of your auric field will give it this shine, this sparkle, and this will attract others who are curious about you. There will be something about you this August, water signs, and some will not know why.